What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. This is Rick with Rick's Reviews, and today I got something special. We're out shopping, and I came across this guy. A brand new Super NES Classic Edition. I found it at Walmart. I believe they're still $79.99 if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, let's open this baby up. So again, this is the box here. This is the top of the box. Let's look at the back of the box. Now you're gonna say, how come you didn't buy a hacked one? How come you didn't buy one that's already preloaded with hundreds of games? Well, I was thinking about that, but it's 150 bucks, and honestly, I could probably do that myself. So let's check this out. So here we got RPG, the Mario RPG game, Super Mario RPG, Super Mario World, Contra 3, Zelda, Super Mario Kart, Yoshi's Island, Star Fox, Kirby, Final Fantasy, and a bunch more. The game I'll probably be playing the most is this guy down here, Super Street Fighter Turbo. I currently have that one for my regular Super Nintendo system, but it's in cartridge mode, as you remember. So here it is. That's what I'm excited for. Now, my Super NES does work, but I only have one remote control, and it's kind of hard to come by. So again, let's open this baby up. Right there. Side of the box. And the other side of the box. Alright, so let's open this guy up. So excited. Can't believe I found it. I thought I wasn't going to be able to get one. And the reason why I really want to play it is this guy right here, Star Fox 2. I want to play that game. Alright. So we got the instruction manual here. We don't really need that. Oh, look at that. Look at that right here. Woo! Check that out. Little SNES, little Super NES right here. HDMI right there. You got your power input. And the remote controls, I believe it's these right here. Yep, there we go. Alright. That's pretty cool. Put that on the side. Oh, nice. Oh, there we go. Super NES controllers with the special connector. Alright. Let's keep going here. We got another one. Alright, cool. Second controller. Got, I believe this is the power brick right here. Nintendo power brick for the SNES. What else do we got? We got the power adapter, or the power cable itself. Cool. And an HDMI. Pretty sick. I'm going to be putting the link in the description if I find them online so you guys can purchase them. I don't know when exactly Nintendo will stop selling these guys. All I know is that they're still kind of hard to come by. And if you do want one, typically everybody wants a lot of money for them. So again, guys, there's your unboxing. I'm going to be hooking this guy up so we can start playing. And I hope you guys liked this video. If you guys did, hit that thumbs up button. Again, this is just an unboxing. We'll hook this guy up later and we'll see how it looks. Alright guys, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.